In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix games keep crashing on Windows 11. So first, go to CMD, run as administrator, and type sfc/scan now, and then press enter. And then once it finishes loading, you can close this down. Now go to settings, and then go to graphics. Over here, set hardware GPU on. Find your game, whatever game you're using. Click on the drop down menu and then select high performance. Then turn this on. Then go here and type. So what you need to do now is go to system properties. So go to system properties and click on this option. Here, go to advanced settings, select adjust for best performance. Click apply and OK. Now another thing I would also recommend is updating your graphics cards drivers. So if you go to NVIDIA, you will be able to update it over here. If you have AMD graphics cards, you can go to the AMD software. So I have NVIDIA, so this is where usually we update the drivers. So you find it here and then click download, and this should fix the issue.